Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Pinecone for vector search in your data science app step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Pinecone website and create an account if you don't have one already. Once you have logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you'll find an option to create a new index. Click on Create Index to start setting it up. You will be prompted to enter a name for your index. Choose a name that reflects the data you plan to store. Next, define the vector dimension that your application will use. Ensure that the dimension aligns with the model you will be using for vector embeddings. After completing these steps, click on Create Index to finalize. Now, you'll see your new index listed on the dashboard. To connect your application to Pinecone, you will need the API key. Go to the API Keys section in your dashboard to obtain it. Copy the API key to use in your application code. With the API key in hand, you can now install the Pinecone client library. If you're using Python, you can do this by running pip install Pinecone client in your terminal. After the installation, open your code editor to start writing the connection code. Begin by importing the Pinecone library in your script. Next, initialize Pinecone with your API key. Use the command pinecone.init API_key equals your _API_key to set up the connection. After initialization, create a connection to your index. You can do this with the command index equals pinecone index your _index_name. Now, prepare your data for vectorization. You will need to convert your data into vector embeddings using a suitable model. Once your data is vectorized, you can upload it to your Pinecone index. Use the index.upsert method to insert your vectors into Pinecone. To query your index, prepare a query vector similar to your stored data. Use the command index.query with your query vector to retrieve similar items. Finally, test the entire setup by running your application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.